Adding a credit card to your Vanguard account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the task efficiently. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select payment methods. Look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Funding Sources. Click on this to manage your payment options. Step 4. Add credit card. Choose the option to add a new credit card. Enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your credit card details, review the information for accuracy and click the Save or Submit button to finalize the addition. Now you have successfully added a credit card to your Vanguard account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vanguard's customer support for assistance.